So guys, as you can see, one of our text is selectable and another one is not selectable. On the left side we have our basic code and on the right side we have our output. Now if we try again, see, both of them are selectable. Now to disable text selection, go to the first tag of the text you want to disable, give it a class name like unselectable. Then go to the style section, call for the class dot unselectable, opening brace, closing brace, give it some space. Inside write user dash select clone none. Now save the document, reload, try to select the text again. See, we cannot able to select the text, but this one is selectable. To make it work for all browsers, we need to add some extra codes. This one is for touchscreen devices, this one Safari, Chrome, third one Conqueror or old browsers, then Mozilla, lastly Internet Explorer or Edge. You can able to find these codes in the video description. Now save the document and reload. So guys, that's how easily we can disable the text selection. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.